these structures as if you were paying any attention to them in the
I
sandstones?
didn't really look for it. Oh, in the sandstones?
I
They were
didn't
kind of
like
popped.
sequences.
Didn't look.
What was that?
They would kind of pop, like almost jointed apart at places to me.
Like this.
Yeah. Could you see any cross bedding or any laminations or? Yeah, this isn't the best place to do it. I've looked at a couple of them and it's really hard to get structure out of that. I think you'd have to hunt around and probably slice it, maybe on a saw to get it. Do you think these things are right side up or upside down? No, they aren't. They're like this. Is that right side up or upside down? Vertical is a relative term. Do you have any sense? I mean, if these things were upside down, it would really mean a lot, right? So, how would you figure that out?
Oh, you have to look at this thing with the.
The S. Yeah.
You can figure it out very quickly structurally.
Yeah.
And since
Right side up, according to that.
Yep.
yeah. So show everybody what you've drawn there.
This little thing we did in class with the sandstone and the shale goes like that, and then this was how our sandstone was here, and that's how the shale went, so it's the same as right there. You
So
can't
which
see
way
that.
do we go for the synclinal hinge?
Oh. Alright.
Syncline will be right.
No.
Your right and my left.
Right.
Yeah.
Correct. That way. That away. That away for the syncline and that away for the anticline. Excellent. Excellent. Exactly what I would do here is I would look at that and I'd say, okay, yeah, all right.
So
Now.
which way?
I don't know, are you done?
No.
You just took over.
Another way that you can do this, and sometimes you have to, is with sedimentary structures. And although this is pretty foobarred, right there looks like a flute mark.
Oh.
And flute marks are going to be on the bottom, right? Now you got to be careful because there's a lot of artifacts here, structural artifacts, you know, noise. But I think that's the case. So, yeah, it would say up is that way.
So which was easier, the structure or the strat? Sorry, unfair.
The structure was.
You have to be able to do it all. Absolutely correct.
Yeah, because there are a couple more times on all this where we'll have to do this.
Absolutely. What's that? You won't have enough structure. That's right. I mean, that's absolutely true.
Yeah. Or you don't have
here
these
you've
nice
got good bedding
cleavages.
cleavage, but if we didn't have that cleavage here, what the hell would we do?
If you're dealing with nothing but sandstone,
That's right.
then you'd be stuck. Now the other thing I want you to do here, which is not as easy to do, but later on we're going to start getting into this, is I want you to start, you know, maybe right here, and I want you to walk your way up here 50 yards, and I want to see if you can detect any patterns in the bedding without me telling you anything. Just start here and look at it and work your way up and tell me what you can see.